Well, in this stretch of COVID-19 pandemic, keeping ourselves, engaging ourselves into physical activity has become a great challenge worldwide. But it is a critical thing, and we must plan out some time for physical activity to reduce the sedentary time. So let's do it and go for it. Hello, one and all. This is Sumita Paul, principal of St. Stephen's School, Pirati, welcomes you in Green Sprouts with Sumita, where we talk about learning methods, techniques, and ways to find out the horizon. Recently, our school has organized physical activity exercise for students, and here are some glimpses of it. Let's watch it. Well, it is great to see that whenever the school has organized any kind of activities, be it session or event, the students have always participated with complete zeal and enthusiasm, and they love to perform any activities. Recently, from 30th November to 4th December, our school celebrated Fit India movement in virtual morning assembly, and students participated in the events jogging, skipping, aerobics, hopscotch, and also shuttle running. Many students participated in these events. Students doing skipping, jogging, hopscotch, skipping again, and many more. Dear children, your zeal, enthusiasm has motivated us and generated a spark in me and also in the teachers that they have also performed physical activities, and here are some glimpses of it. During COVID-19 pandemic, it is become more important for all of us to remain physically active, even if it is only a short break from sitting in your sofa in front of the TV or maybe computer, doing some walking or stretching. Doing something as simple as this is going to make a great change in our life. Physical activity can include the physical stretchings, exercises, active recreation, sports participation, maybe cycling, evening walk, morning walk, playing with your wards, dancing, gardening, house cleaning, and also doing some shopping. Dear all, if we are performing such kind of physical activities, then we are strengthening and also maintaining our immune system. And making ourselves less susceptible to infections. And performing any kind of physical activities also reduces high blood pressure. It controls our weight, reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, stroke, increases or improves our bone and muscle strength, improves our balance, mobility, flexibility, fitness, and also mental health. Reduces the risk of depression. So performing such kind of activity really is doing great job for us. So we must all practice any kind of physical activities. Well, in the light of current situation, we must indulge ourselves into any kind of physical activity. Children, you have performed physical activity during the day, but I want everybody to perform or indulge yourself into any kind of physical activity regularly. Keep 10 minutes time aside for yourself into physical activity, because it is very necessary for our physical and mental well-being. Hope you have liked this video. So this is for all for today. This is Sumita Paul signing off for today till we meet again on another video. Till then, stay blessed and have a healthy life.